Your Excellency, you are welcome to the construction of Road CN8 from Obafemi Awolowo right up to N1 and branching to the Court of Appeal building. By the road, last time you came, there wasn't still lateral, the culvert was down there. Now they've finished and they have started the road works. They've buried a lot of underground services, stormwater, falsiwa. Cable work started from up there and it will continue right to the end. And work.
They're laying there as well as there. So
you have removed the poles. You have located the poles.
Yes. So there's still a few of them, especially on the ILSs. There's a particular one where there's a building printing press, so they are carrying out the national assignments. So we're waiting.
Okay, that was the
What is the national assignment?
They're printing wide.
So what does that got to do with our... Does not affect, will not delay their work.
No. It's just the walkway, so that can be done later.
What's the time duration for the job?
The time duration was 18 months, but we want this project to be commissioned in May, sir. It will, sir.
No.
So we're starting asphalt in this way, sir.
I can finish some like this. When I'm doing the good work, don't tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Come back.
Sorry, Your Excellency, for this lift service charger, no street line. That is the original scope. Yes. To 2017 and
The fourth time you are coming. We are close to the end. We can assure you that at the end of May, the road is ready to be commissioned. I know that today you are, after here, we are going under the bridge and we go to the end of the road. You will see our asphalt road also on the other side. The project manager here maybe can explain what we did from the last time that the Honorable Minister came to visit us. So about the bridge and the railway, I think that we don't have any problem. Engineer General, please can explain to the Honorable Minister. Maybe we can also look above that because we don't see very well. Please explain to the...
So welcome, Honorable Minister. If you remember, the last time we stopped just around here because there was no slab casted in front. Now all the slabs they have been casted up to the railway. So, because the last time you came here, it was the day they just give us the approval from the railway to start the work at the and then the next 10 days we start to put the last beams, the bridge ready, we can complete the last floor slab of the bridge. In front, here we have other 6 kilometers of roads, where is partially is already almost we are completing the trigger scheme for the last bridge. Yeah, the train is passing now. So even with the railway we have 10 kilometers. Was awarded in 2014.
Oh, 2014?
Yes. Then,
11 years now. No money to pay.
no,
Just this problem of the railway. Not because we are in front of the press, but you solved the problem, because the problem was here since more than 2 years between the two ministries. But now has been solved. Just this is 2 years for a small problem like that. But yes, of course, it was lack of payment the most. But now I get to put it down. It's true. Yes.
Okay.
Are we set?
Are we set? Are we set?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. However, Minister, you have visited the site now.
Hold on. Let's go back.
We are moving back now.
Okay, we are set. Okay, silver bed.
Okay. To this side, visited so far. What's your impression about the work?
Which are the sites do you know that we visited?
Well, we are at the Akpoti FCT division.
Well, I was just joking so that you two would appreciate whether you know the areas. Frankly speaking, just like you said, we have visited 3 sites. Very impressive, particularly where we are. This is my 4th time, if I can remember very well, of coming to this site. This project has been a headache for me. Like I said, the contractor said this job was awarded 2014, taking us 11 years. That tells you, obviously, the price can be the same. So when I came, there was a price variation, which is, of course. But I commend the Salini on this particular project, because I never believed that May would be actualized. But see, they are talking with authority, and I believe them, because last time we came, we stopped at the back there, but see where we are today, which means in the next 2 weeks, they would have completed this bridge. I'm happy for what was seen, and we've been to Court of Appeal. Of course, theirs will be completed by September. We've been to Ossex. That will be commissioned by Ben. And today, this also will be completed by me. How happy one would be in life that you made a promise and you fulfill the promise. I have to thank Mr. President. This is really actually what we call the Renewed Hope agenda. A renewed hope, that hope has come back to our people. People are happy. Promises made, promises fulfilled. And that's all about democracy. That's all about dividend of democracy. I'm happy to be part of Mr. President's administration to have given back hope to our people. So you can see the quality of work. All the contractors that are doing the jobs are all quality contractors. Yesterday you went around, you saw what is going on in International Conference Center, what's going on in Gishiri. Today you are here, you've been to Ossex, you've been to Court of Appeal, now you've been to Naira Assets. I'm very happy. I can tell you this. I'm very, very happy. Okay. Very happy.
All right. Honorable Minister, tell us, sir, please, we would like to know how has the availability of funds improved on the completion of abandoned projects? We know when you came in, a lot of abandoned projects were scattered across the territory.
Prudent management is key. You can have more funds, but if you don't manage it well, you may not achieve. What's important is to apply the funds judiciously, and that's what you are seeing the result today. I have always maintained that I will not start a project when I know there are no funds. Not just for the sake of awarding contract. What people want is not just award contract, award and company for them to use. If you award contract, it becomes an abandoned project. It doesn't make any sense. So we have managed the little funds we have, and that's why we are going to be very aggressive in our revenue drive to be able to achieve more projects. If we are not, that's why when people complain that we are revoking a sea of votes, people do not understand that it's from only such payments, taxes, that we will be able to carry out projects that will be meaningful, that will have positive impact on the lives of our people. You can imagine when this road is completed, what it will help. I mean, it's not something you can say, look, that you can underestimate. So we are appealing to our people. It's not politics. It's about being responsible, being responsive. Government has given you land for you to pay yearly, annual ground rent for us to use for the development. So many people call you every day, oh, we see what you are doing, can you extend it to our own area? Yes, we want to extend, but if the money is there, and how will the money be there? It's only when you pay taxes. So we'll be very, very aggressive, very, very aggressive, within the limits of the law. We're very aggressive in our revenue drive so that we can complete all the projects that we have started.
Thank you. Final note, sir. Talking about the renewal hope agenda of the Mr. President, what is your call to the resident to have a belief and also key into the change?
What gives confidence to people is that what they see. Government said they will do this, and government is doing it. That enough is giving people confidence to have that belief. But if you give them, if you tell them you will do something and it's not done, what hope are you giving? What confidence are you giving? They will say, forget it. That's how they always tell us. But everybody knows in FCT today that this government, when they say they will do this, and they see it's being done, that is what is supposed to be. When once people have confidence, and even the contractors have confidence, you see, one thing you must know. You may not have the money, but contractor has that belief that when you get the money, you will pay. The contractor will go ahead. And you must create that level of confidence. And that's what we have done. Creating confidence in our people, creating confidence in the contractors. That's what it's supposed to be. And that's why we're achieving what we're achieving today.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.